Yesterday we discussed about array. Now array related remaining functionalities we'll discuss here. Now split up to split we have discussed, right? Now next one is join. What is join? To join the elements of array as a string. To join the elements of array as a string. In this point of view, taking the support of join. Yes. I will show you how to work with that. So I'm creating one file, the desktop, pro.html I have given. In this file, open script, close this. I open and close the script. Now, where ARR is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. A given line. ARR is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, where str is equal to ARR dot join slash out. Means this array elements I want to join with slash. Yes. Now console.log str. So how many elements we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that we have these 5 elements. These 5 elements we are joining with slash. Is this clear? Finally, just I'm using str here. Now pro.html. Right click, open with Chrome. Right click, inspect console. Now you can see 10 slash 20 slash, where is the output? Here. 10 slash 20 slash 30 slash 40 slash 50. Like that, this is the output. Yeah, now. So slashes, that is our choice. The main point of this, the main concept of this function is you want to convert array as string. Yes, in that point of we are using this one. For example, here slash @ slash I have given. Okay, yes. Now slash @ slash. Save and refresh. You can see it is coming like this. 10 slash @ slash 20 slash @ slash, like that. In case if I remove everything, yes, I removed everything here. refresh this. Now there is no separator. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that. The elements of array want to convert as a string. Then we are using this. Join, we are using like this. Yes. I hope you clear with this, right? Yeah. Now copy this and paste. Now looping functions we are discussing. I want to run loop through the elements of array. Then how can you work with that? These loop functions we will discuss now. First of all, here we are using for in. For this function, for in. Yeah. To run a loop through the elements of array. For in we are using to run a loop through the elements of array. Yes. It holds the index number of elements. Yes. What it holds? The index number of elements. This is about for in. So see this program. We have these elements. Total how many elements we have? 5 elements. Right. So we have total 5 elements. Like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Now I am using for where x in ARR. For where x in ARR means running a loop through the elements of this array. Yes, yeah. ARR is the array. So this array holds each and every element index. What is x first time? 0. Next time 1, next time 2, next time 3, like that. Now here, console.log x I have given. Yes. I have given console.log x. Now save it and refresh this. So we got the output like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every time it returns the index number of the element. What is the index number of first element? That is 0. Index number of second element is this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Like that. This clear? Yes. So x holds 0 first time, 1 second time, like that. Now ARR of X I am using. Means first time what is that error of 0? Next time error of 1. Next time error of 2, like that. Now save this and refresh. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. So this is the output of this. This clear? So this is about for in. Okay. Next. For off. Same as for in. But returns value instead of index. So for off directly returns the value. It won't return index. Returns directly value. So that is for off. Okay. Now in this program, on X of ARR I have given. Okay. Save it. Refresh. Yeah. So you can print X now. Directly you can print X because it is value. Yes. It is value of that element. That's why directly you can print X. Okay. Now refresh it. Again, you got that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that is the output. Okay. Copy. Paste here. Next. This clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next one, for each. Okay. So what is for each? Runs a loop with the elements of array and holds both index and value. Yes. It executes a function for every iteration. Okay. Yeah. So it is just like the combination of previous two functions, you can say. Okay. Yeah. Because we are getting both index and value. Okay. Getting both the index and value. And one function it executes for every iteration. Now, here a dot for each. Is it clear? Now, in this, we are placing one function. Set this index and value given like this. What is that? Index and yes. Now, console.log ind and console.log. So value. Both I'm printing. Both ind and value. Now save this and refresh. So first time, yeah, here in a single line, I want to print ind come where. So ind is 0, value is 10. Next ind is 1, value is 20. Ind is 2, value is 30. Ind is 3, value is 40. Like that we have these things. Yes. So this function executes for every iteration. Okay. So the first variable holds the index and second variable holds the value. So that is the concept of this. Yes. Yeah. Now paste in your node file. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. So this is about the concept. Okay. Next. Map function. It's very, very important. Map. Same as for each, but returns values. So total number of return values are same as total number of total number of elements in array. What the difference between map and for each? Both are same, but for each won't return anything. Map returns some elements. Some means how many elements? So that array, through which array you want to run map, based on that array, it returns the elements. Yes. Now I will show you that arm.map values. Yes. Given arm.map. Now what is the result of this? Yes. The result is nothing but each and every element it will read and it prints the same result. Okay, now refresh it. You can see same result I got here. This clear? Yes. Now, for example, here a return index plus value are given. Yes. So return index plus value. Okay. Now, the return value I'm storing in variable like where are we is equal. Finally, console.log RV have given. Yes. Console.log RV. Save this and refresh. Now you can see. So 10 plus 0, 10, 20 plus 1, 21, 30 plus 2, 32, 40 plus 3, 43, 50 plus 4, 54. Like that, we got the return values here. Yes. Yeah. This is about map function. Is it clear? Yes. In case if I use for each, will it return the values? No, it will not return the values. So RV is nothing but empty string. Undefined. Not empty string, sorry, undefined it comes. See, if any function returns a value that we are storing in the variable at the time of calling that function. For example, if you take map, a map returns the values. Okay, here based on this. That information is stored in RV. Yes. But for each, if you take, for each won't return anything. Okay. Yes. That's why RV is undefined we got here. So that is the difference between these two. Is this clear? Yes. So any doubts, any questions you have?
No, Swami.
So based on the calculation, which values you want to return, you can return from here. That is our choice. That is based on the calculation. Okay. Based. Next one. Filter. What is this filter? Runs a loop through the elements of array and returns only truth value. So this is our filter. So it runs a loop through the elements of array and returns only truth values. I will show you that. Now ARR dot filter I have given. Okay, same. First argument holds the index number. Name can be anything. Okay, it holds what? Index number. And second argument holds the value. Yes. Now here thing is return value greater than 30. Now I am returning only the values which are greater than 30. Means what are the values we are having in this variable RV? RV contains what? 40 and 50. RV contains 40 and 50. Because first time 10 greater than 30. Condition true or false? False. And next one 20 greater than 30. Condition true or false? False. 30 next. 30 greater than 30. This is also false. Okay. Next one 40 greater than 30. This is true. And 50 greater than 30. That is also true. Now, if you observe this code, save and refresh. So we got see. The first argument is value. Second argument is index. I by mistake have written. Yes, now save this. Refresh. You got 40, 50. So first holds the value. So name can be anything. So here, just if I use V and I. Okay, now you should use V greater than 10. So even you can remove this if you don't want. If you don't want that, okay, then you can remove the index. Now here I'm using V greater than 20. Now you will get the output 30, 40, and 50 lines. Okay, so names can be anything, but holds value and index. Okay, the direction I told reverse earlier. It holds value and index. Okay. Now, in case if I use map returns values or not? Can map return values or not?
Yes.
Yes, map also returns the values, right? Yeah. How many values can map return? How many values?
2.
So based on the elements, how many elements we have in this array? Based on that elements, it returns the values, right? Yes. Total how many elements we have? 5 elements. Now, what is the output you're expecting? So the meaningful name I want to provide here, instead of V, I am using val. Yes. Now, what is the result you're expecting now? So result is nothing but first time 10 we are getting, right? 10 greater than 20. True or false? 10
False.
greater than 20.
False.
False. Next time it returns false there. Next time 20. Is 20 greater than 20? False. Next time 30. Is 30 greater than 20?
True.
Is 30 greater than 20? Yes, true. Next time 40. Is 40 greater than 20? Yes, true.
True.
Like that, it returns the output true and false. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, save this and refresh. Output is false, false, true, true, true. This is the output. What is that? False, false, true, true. Is this clear? Yes. Like that, that is the difference between this map and filter. Right? Yeah. 1 second. I'm connecting with charger. Please wait. Yes. No. This is our false, false, true, true, true. So that is the difference between map and what is the next one? Filter. So now you got this output 30, 40, 50. Next one, reduce. Reduce. This is tricky function. Runs a loop through the elements of array and returns a value based on the calculation. Yes. Yeah. This is about reduce function. Okay. Now see that the program pro.html. Now here I'm not using val and index. Simply I'm taking xy. Yes. So guess and tell me first time what is x, what is y. You guess and tell me. What is x first time and what is y? Huh?
Current value, previous value.
What is that? X is?
Current value, previous value.
Yeah, that is 10. You mean first time, right? Y is? Index or not? Huh? See, for example, if I take map, here I'm using console.log x comma y. Now save and refresh. Yes. First time x is value 10 and next one is index we got like. Yes. So Even if I take filter, same output, right? Refresh, same output you got. Even if I take for each, same output, right? Yeah, don't think about this console.log last line. Okay. Yes, same output we got. So I'm taking now reduce. Yeah. If I refresh, what the output you're expecting, same or not? Huh? So first time X is first element value 10 and Y is index 0. Next time X is 20 and Y is 1. Next time X is 30 and Y is 2. Next time X is 40, Y is 3. And next time 50, Y is 4. Yes, that is the output. No. For previous functions, this is the output, but not for reduce. Yes. Now for reduce, see, first time X is first element value. What is that first element value? 10. And Y is second element value. Nothing but 20. Is it clear? Next iteration, X is third element, 30. And Y is not fourth element here. Y is return value. So here with first iteration, what is the value returning? That value will store in the variable Y. And next third iteration, so X is 40 and Y is the second iteration return value. You got it. Next time X is 50 and Y is the third iteration, means the next iteration return value. Like that, previous which value are returning, that value is storing the variable Y. But first time, what is that? So Y holds the second element. So from third element onwards, Y holds the previous return value. Now we can see. So I am not returning anything, then undefined will come here. See? Yeah. Sorry. So reverse. So this is holding the return value and this holds the element value. Okay. This holds the return value and this holds what? Element value. So first time X is 10 and Y is 20. Same. Next time X is return value, not 30. X is return value, Y is next element. And next time X is return value, Y is next element, 40. X is return value, Y is next element, 50. So like that you're getting the output. In case if I return hi message. Now what is the output you are expecting? Tell me first. What is the output you're expecting? Funny. Funny. What is X? Rohini, Sudip, Sudipta. Yeah. What is X first time? That is 10. And Y is 20. Next time, what is X return value? What we are returning here? Hi message. And Y is 30. Next time, again, I'm returning hi message and Y is 40. Again, I'm returning hi message and Y is 50. X always high. Except first time, always it is high. Now you can see this. So save it once. Not save. And refresh it. You can see 10, 20, high, 30, high, 40, high, 50. Is it clear? Yes. Now what I am returning, just return X plus Y. Yes, yeah. What I have again written x plus y. Now come to this. First time x is 10, y is 20. Fine. We are printing that x and y. And what we are writing 10 plus 20, 30. Means next time x is return value 30 and y is next element, that is 30. Okay. Now what will return here? 30 plus 30, 60. Next time x is, yes, what is x? It is nothing but 60 and y is next element, that is 40. So 60 plus 40, what is the output? 100. Now what is x here next time? Yes, 100 and y is 50. So means 150 means sum of all the elements finally I'm writing here. So if I print that, yes. So RV I'm printing here. If you observe this, 150 the result. So what I told you, runs a loop through the elements of array and returns a value. Only single value returns here. Yes, based on the given calculation. This is the concept of this. Okay. So these are the functions. It is somewhat tricky function. Just remember this one. Okay. Yeah, go through this. So with this concept, we discussed arrays. And next, we need to discuss Visual Studio Code IDE, how to work with that IDE, and what are the concepts we have in this, what are the options we have in this IDE. Those things we need to discuss. I will cover those concepts in the next class. Okay. Yes. So I will upload this file. You can download now. And then now I send this file. Yes. Next class, we'll discuss the remaining concepts here. Okay. Fine. So tomorrow we don't have this demo link. Okay. Those who wants to continue, you can join with the DURGASOFT. Okay. So you have to register there in the DURGASOFT account. So if you want to continue, then just call to them and you can join. They will provide you the new link. Okay. Fine. So see you in next class. You can drop now. Thank you.